Okay guys, so you're welcome to today's training, and today we shall be looking at how to hack all social medias in the online space. If you want to hack WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and what have you. So I'll be teaching you how these hackers do hack these social medias in the online space. And what we'll be using the tool Zphisher, okay? We'll be using a tool called Zphisher, and this tool is used. It have over 300 plus templates. This tool is made of educational purpose only. Please do not try this whatsoever permission you have not been given to. If you're not given any permission, do not try this. Only do this to a permission be granted to you, otherwise it will become illegal for such. So we'll copy this code, copy the URL, then come to our terminal and make sure you update your system, your sudo app updates. Okay, so just clear the screen. Then what you will do then is just what? Git clone. You have to clone it. Git clone. Then paste the URL which you copy just now. Take your enter. Now you can see I already have this Zphisher already exists. My Zphisher already exists in my Kali. Okay, once you do yours will install. So the next thing for you to do is to go your what? pwd, then do your ls. So you can see the folder here. This is my Zphisher already here. So we want to be inside this folder with your cd Zphisher. Take your enter, then do your ls. You can see this is the folder which you want to install, zphisher.sh. So you use our bash Zphisher Zphisher.sh. Take your enter. So you allow it to install the required package. Okay, now these are the tools you can see. These are Facebook, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, PayPal, Steam, Twitter, PlayStation, TikTok, MediaFire, Discord, and every other application. We have 33 applications here which you will see all these hackers they do hack. Now what they do is, after creating a link of any of these social media, so they will send it through phishing, through email phishing, telling you so account have been detected, so try to log in. And once you log in, they will gather your information and it will be showing to them in their Kali system. So I'll be showing you how they are doing this now. So let's say we want to attack a Facebook holder. So this is carry 01, we just enter 01, we select 01, take your enter. Then we have to select an auction. Then we have traditional login page, advanced voting pool login page, fixed security login page. So we'll go for traditional login page, which is 01. So select port forwarding. I want to select a port forwarding. We have the local host, we have the Cloudflare, we have the local expose. This local expose, if you do this within 15 minutes, the URL will expired. Okay, so we'll be going for our local host, which is 01. Do you want a custom port? I will say yes, I want. Enter your digit custom port. Let's say 1025. So you can see this URL successfully hosted at this. Now if I open this, let's say I want to copy it. Let me copy, then go to my browser. So come to our URL, just paste the link. Then take your enter. So you allow it to load. For this our local host. And once you send them this localhost, now there are also a means in which you can customize this localhost to be an original page, just like Facebook. You can customize this localhost to become Facebook, and they will log in as normal login. So you can see these have opened as normal Facebook login. But whereas, note this, wherever you see something of this, what you should watch at is the URL first. You can see the URL is not carrying anything called facebook.com. Now let's per se venture to enter a login details. Let me enter login email kingsley@yahoo.com. Then I want to enter a password 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then click my login. Don't save. So you can see that it's loading. Now these details have been sent already. Okay guys, these details have been sent. You cannot see that the normal URL have appeared, which is facebook.com. This is not the normal URL, but the first URL that was taking digit my localhost IP have signaled them that have login. So let's go to our Kali. You can see that this is the login details, guys. You can see victims IP found. This is victims IP. This is my IP. Save in login found. You can see account kingsley@yahoo.com. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can see this is how they carry out phishing. Okay, guys, this is how they carry out phishing, and they are able to steal every information in the online space. Let's take a look at Instagram also, and we'll see how they are doing this. Let's Ctrl C, Ctrl C. Let's say bash Zphisher.xh. Let's go for our Instagram also. Okay, let's say O2. Take your enter. Traditional login. Let's take O1. Traditional login. Port forwarding. I'll see you same 4 ports 1025. Okay, sorry, localhost 01. Sorry, localhost 01. Then do you want custom port? Yes. Custom, that is the 4-digit port forwarding 1025. Now this is the URL, so let me copy and also paste it in my browser. Then you see what so go to my browser. So open my browser, just paste it, take my enter. So this my localhost will open normal Instagram. So you can see Instagram have opened. Now you can see what I told you in the Facebook login page. This URL is showing my my localhost. But once I put the login details, the normal Instagram account will now be opening. The normal URL will be open. So let's enter login details. Kingsley2026@gmail.com. Then let me enter password here. Let me put church. I want to go. Then let me take login. I don't want to save. Now you cannot see that the new Instagram URL have appeared. This is the authentic URL. The one that happened before initially with my IP is what my local host. Now if I go to my Kali, so you can see guys that what information have been detected. This is the account. You can see Kingsley2026@gmail.com, and this is the password, church I want to go. You can see guys, so this is how these hackers do carry out this phishing. And one thing for you to do to prevent this is to make sure you check the URL first, check it thoroughly, and peradventure you see a URL of this nature also, they will carry out a URL of facebook.com, but that O, they will change it to 0, and you will be taking its normal facebook.com. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Please do well to share this video for others to be enlightened. Do well to also subscribe to our channel. Please and please, this training is for educational purpose only. Do not try this to someone else, neither do you try this to an organization. Make sure you have authorization before doing such. Thank you guys for staying tuned.